Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will take a closer look at what cryptocurrency might look like in the year 2024. As we all know, cryptocurrencies have been evolving rapidly and their impact on the global economy continues to grow. So let us dive in and explore the future of crypto. In 2024, we can expect cryptocurrencies to have gained significant mainstream adoption. More people will understand their potential and begin using them in their daily lives. Absolutely. By 2024, we anticipate that governments worldwide will have created regulatory frameworks to support the growth of cryptocurrencies. This will result in increased stability and security for crypto investors. As cryptocurrencies become more widely accepted, we will witness a shift in how people use them for transactions. In 2024, it is highly likely that we will see a surge in crypto payments for goods and services. Individuals will have the option to pay in cryptocurrencies at retail stores, restaurants, and even online platforms. The traditional banking system will also undergo significant changes due to cryptocurrencies. As we move towards 2024, banks will start adopting blockchain technology to improve efficiency, transparency, and security in their operations. We might even see the emergence of decentralized finance platforms that provide various financial services such as lending, borrowing, and investing, all powered by cryptocurrencies. Not only will cryptocurrencies disrupt the financial sector, but they will also revolutionize marketplaces. By 2024, we can expect decentralized marketplaces powered by blockchain technology to challenge traditional e-commerce giants. These marketplaces will enable peer-to-peer transactions without relying on intermediaries. Privacy-focused cryptocurrencies will gain traction in the coming years. By 2024, we can anticipate the rise of advanced privacy features that ensure confidentiality and anonymity for crypto users. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrencies in 2024? Increased adoption, regulatory clarity, mainstream usage, and innovative applications are just a few of the predictions. But one thing is certain, cryptocurrencies have already shaped our present and their influence will continue to grow in the future. Hope the video is very informative for you. Thanks.